Hi there, I'm Pam Forrester from the Magic for Less Travel, and I'm here at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, and I'm really excited to show you the brand new Moana themed rooms at this resort. Now, before we get started, I have a little confession to make, and that is that the Polynesian is actually one of my favorite resorts here at Walt Disney World. I love them all, but there's just something about this resort. So when I heard that they were going to redo these rooms with a Moana theme, I was excited, but then I was also a little nervous because I wasn't quite sure how that was going to fit in. But I can tell you now, having seen them, I am an absolute believer. I think they have done justice to this really beautiful resort and one of the original resorts here at Walt Disney World. They've updated the rooms, they look great, there are things that are going to appeal to kids, things that are going to appeal to adults, and I think everyone will really enjoy staying here. So let's take a look at these great rooms. You can see here as we pan back, they've really sort of added this nice cool blue tone to the room, and it's so relaxing. The beds are beautiful, and they've done one of my favorite things that they've done in Disney resort rooms lately, and that is they've left you storage underneath the bed. So that means you can put all your suitcases and bags right underneath there. You can see the benches here at the end of the bed. They're great, not only for seating, but also a great place to put your luggage. And as we look around the room, I want you to notice that there are lots of plugs. And everywhere there's a plug, there's also a USB port. So that makes it really easy to plug in your watch, your phone, your tablet, your everything that we all know that we have. As you're also looking around the room, you're going to see little subtle touches that just say Moana, from the tribal carvings on the bed and also the furniture to the really cool neck pillow that's on the bed. And you're also going to see that blue color that's just themed throughout the room. You'll also see in the lighting, there's a little nod to Moana as well as you catch that wave there. But they did just such a great job incorporating bits of Moana without the room screaming Moana, if that makes sense. We'll kind of take a look here around the rest of the room. And you're going to see another one of my favorite things in this room. Nope, not the Keurig, although that's really important. You're going to see this little piece of art with Hey Hey in it. How great is that, right? Right over here in sort of this area where you'll put your coffee, and there's a refrigerator under here as well. So it's great to see that in the room too. You're catching here some of the closet. And this sort of reminds me of the Disney Cruise Line closets, right? It's just, you can sort of open and close these doors. Lots of space to put everything, so we appreciate that. We'll step into the bathroom, and you can see the shower, again, has sort of tribal patterns in the tile there. And I love that Disney, once again, put not just the rainfall shower head, but they also put a handheld shower head, which makes it easy to help little ones take a shower. So I love that. They've totally redone this bathroom, and it's a completely different configuration than before. So I like seeing that. You'll see again the artwork in the area where there's a toilet, also themed after Moana. See her there. And there is a sliding door between the toilet and the rest of the bathroom space. There are 2 sinks here, with also storage space underneath. You can see that there. And again, the wood has that carving. They did a beautiful job with that. We'll take a step out too so that you can even see the mirror. They did a great job with that too. Looking at that. 2 sinks, of course, in this deluxe resort. So lots of people can get ready at the same time. We're going to go back into the room, and I wanted to show you next to the dresser, there's this little sort of coffee table or end table, but I love that they've used all this space because it's really deep and you can actually put stuff there. And I think that kids will enjoy really having that stuff close. In addition, you'll see this couch right here. And this is important because this is how this room accommodates up to 5 guests. This couch pulls down sort of like the couches on the cruise line do. So that's going to be really functional for you. It is a twin size bed, probably maybe a short twin size bed. I don't know that a taller adult is going to be comfortable there, but definitely kids and some adults that are shorter will be fine there. And I also want to show you on that wall, I think it's just so pretty. It incorporates some of the blue, but you'll also see within these designs is Moana. There you go. And that, didn't they do a great job? And way up in the corner right here, if you're looking for it, are there any hidden Mickeys? There are. Gonna go, hopefully we can catch that one. See it? Up there in the design. There. So, if you don't know, Disney's Polynesian Resort is on the monorail line. And there are rooms that have a view of the theme park, of the Magic Kingdom. And there are rooms that have a view of the pool or rooms that have a view of the waterway here. Our room happens to have a view of the water, so I'm going to take you out here and show you this on the patio. Get this here. Step out here. Go. Let's just see that. Get a little view of the Polynesian. You can see the pool there. Did you hear some of the sounds of the Polynesian? I always love hearing that, especially when I'm not there at Walt Disney World. So I think that Disney's done a great job with redoing these rooms. You can tell Trader Sam's is back open. Ohana is back open. Of course, Kona's been open. It's just so nice to see everything opening up here at the resort again. I'm really excited about the renovations that continue to go on at this resort. Right now, the monorail station is not in operation, but it should be soon. This is going to be a fantastic place for guests to stay. Just to remind you, this is a deluxe resort, which means you'll have access to all the benefits that you get when you're staying at a Walt Disney World resort. If you're interested in this or any other Walt Disney World resort, please reach out to us at the Magic for Less Travel. We'd love to help you plan a great vacation.